Hi Kickstarter, I'm Adam and I am the inventor of OQular Clip. OQular Clip is the most convenient, versatile lens protector for both your glasses and your sunglasses. So I'm sure you'll agree there's nothing more annoying than when you scratch your glasses or your favourite pair of sunnies. And let's face it, all cases they're too bulky, they're too big. OQular Clip is slim and it's around 20 times smaller than your average sunglass case. I made OQular Clip because I always find myself with my glasses but without my case. Then I worry, where do I put my glasses? And I thought to myself, there must be an option out there, something better than your current case you have. And I couldn't find anything. So I created OQular Clip. OQular Clip protects all shapes and sizes of eyewear. They are super easy to use. Add one to one lens, add one to the other, and you protect your glasses. You can have it on a key ring, you can clip it on your clothes, you can have it just like this, which fits in your pocket or in your small bag. So, people have questioned me, what if they lose one? And my answer is this. They don't come off, so you're not going to lose one. They're stuck together by magnets. OQular Clip is designed for anyone who wears glasses or sunglasses on a regular basis. And I've had some amazing feedback from people using them. Now, I'm asking the Kickstarter community to support my project and bring this to life. And for that, you will get your very own pair of OQular Clip, which come in a variety of different colours. You'll feel safe knowing that you will never ever again scratch your favourite pair of sunnies or glasses again.